Hi there, my name is Tero Salonen and I will now show you how you can link your SolidWorks to Enovia PLM system by using custom tools for SolidWorks and Enterprise PDM. Let's start by creating a new path from the template. So now I will demonstrate you how we can create a new item in Enovia. So let's modify this template as desired and rebuild. Now I'm going to enter some custom properties by using custom tools. So first I will select correct project, in this case roller conveyor. I have associated some default values related to the project. So for instance, there is document code, customer names, and also the file name is coming from those predefined values. Now I will generate a new item number from predefined sequence. This could be also retrieved from Enovia by opening a new part there. Then I will select a description from predefined dictionary and also short description. I can define material category, which is in this case metal, and also part classification, which is custom bar. In this case the unit is millimeters. Drawing information in this example is related how drawings are named and how bill of material in drawing is filled. So here I can select how description is displayed in bill of material. I will select description for hollow bar. And after that I'm able to link dimensions which represent my design. So I will select the outer diameter, inner diameter and the length. As you can see, now my bill of material description reflects my design, and if I will update the geometry, also this description will update automatically. I will also enter some material information. I go to SolidWorks materials and select AISI 1020 from materials, and I want to also paint my part, so I will select the desired raw color, in this case 6004, which is blue-green. When I accept changes by clicking the OK, Custom Tools will automatically save the part with the correct name to the desired location, which is in this case inside Enterprise PDM Vault. I can go to view my properties in Enterprise PDM, and now when my design is ready, I want to check that into my vault. And I will submit this part for approval. Now my manager can check my design and approve that as well. So by using Custom Explorer, I can select the same part in Enterprise PDM Vault. And as we can see, all the properties which I filled in Custom Tools are now available also in Enterprise PDM document card. Now we select to approve the part. And I want the item to be created by information in default configuration. We can now check our item number, copy it and open Enovia portal and search for that item. Now we can see that this item was created inside Enovia with all the information we just entered in CAD. Designer can access the same information by right-clicking the part and selecting Enovia card. And all the basic information related to the item is shown in this user interface. Now when we selected to paint this part with specific role color, I can add the paint as a sub item to this part. So I select the power view for POM. I want to edit this item and I want to add existing engineering part. I will search for correct paint here, the correct role color. I will select that one. I will add the quantity in liters and submit my changes. If we go back to the SolidWorks, I can access the Enovia portal also from my SolidWorks. So now I can see that in my part there is now bill of material and there is paint added to that hollow bar. Now I can create an assembly from my part. And when I click Save, CustomTools will prompt me to enter custom properties. In this case, the correct project is selected already by default. Thus, all the custom properties related to that project are automatically filled. I will pick up the next available item number. I can add some description and I can use autocomplete feature from CustomTools in order to avoid unnecessary typing. I can also give the short description, material category, part classification and unit. I can accept my changes by clicking the OK, and assembly is saved to the correct location with correct file name without any need to use browse for folder feature. If we refresh the tree in EPDM, we can see that now our previously created part belongs to new assembly, which we can now check in and submit for approval. And once again, if we open the same assembly in Explorer, in Enterprise PDM Vault. In this case, we will manually export this assembly to Enovia without changing the state first. So I can select Export Structure, select the configuration, and now one structure were exported to Enovia. So this new item was created in Enovia, and the part belonging to this assembly is automatically added as bill of material for this assembly. If we now go back to the CAD, in assembly view we can select the desired component and select custom Enovia portal. Now we can see that still we have paint in hollow bars bill of material, but now our hollow bar is also used in one assembly which we just created inside Enovia. We can also link existing items from Enovia to SolidWorks CAD models. So I can open existing design and select, for instance, this leg frame. I can click Custom Properties to view the current properties. Now I would like to link this part to an existing item in Enovia. So I can click the button to launch the search, give some search condition, and select the desired leg frame. When I click OK, CustomTools automatically locks all fields which are retrieved from Enovia in order to prevent accidental editing of that information. I can also do the same operation in EPDM. So if we go to the EPDM, let's select the leg frame, custom explore in order to select that file in Enterprise PDM Vault. I can go to the item information, click search, give the search criteria, and I will find exact the same items. I can double click the item in order to fill that information in document card. I will next demonstrate you how you can synchronize item information from Enovia to your SolidWorks models once the information is updated in Enovia. So now all my parts belonging to this leg frame assembly has been exported to Enovia. So every single file has corresponding item in Enovia. Now I want to make sure that all item information is in sync with Enovia PDM. So what I will first do is launch bill of material properties in CustomTools. It will create me an Excel file listing all file names belonging to assembly structure as well the desired custom properties from models. So this Excel template comes from CustomTools database, and it can be customized based on company's needs. So basically, first row lists all custom properties I want to read from models, and in the column's name you can define what's the desired custom property is. So now all the information is read from the documents, and basically the value is first looked in reference configuration, and if the value is empty, then it's looked from the document's custom properties. When I want to update information from Enovia, I will click Update from Enovia button, which will run a macro reading the latest information regarding the item in Enovia. Okay, so now we can see that some of the information has changed in Enovia. All Excel cells with yellow background has updated information. If I put my mouse cursor over the cell, I can see, for instance, in this case, that the previous value was leg brace, and it's now updated in Enovia to leg brace support. Similarly, part category was previously empty for all the items, and now those have values. Here the weight has been corrected to correct unit, and here the revision information has been added. I can now view that all the information is valid, and I want to write that information to SolidWorks files. So I'm going to click Update to SolidWorks. If I would like to make any changes, I could now type here desired values. When I click Update to SolidWorks, Excel will write the values to the open documents. If file is currently checked in Enterprise PDM, it will be checked out, values will be updated, and it will be checked in again. Now when I'm done, I can close this Excel file. Thank you.